What that means is Israel literally planted on top of destroyed and depopulated Palestinian villages in order to hide their memory and the war crimes that they committed. They planted on top of them, often even on top of deforested olives. And about 88% of the trees that Israel has planted, right, those 240 million trees JNF boasts about, are actually not indigenous to the land. So a lot of these trees are Australian eucalyptus trees, for example, but also Aleppo pine. The Aleppo pine is not native to Syria. And then Israelis began planting it en masse. And so in the 80s, it was found that this pine constituted 50% of Israeli plantations. And really, it became to symbolize Israel. And the reason Israel chose this plant was that the pine tree grows fast. It doesn't need much care, and it also dies quickly, but they don't really like to think long term. And basically, yeah, it burns up like crazy. So what I say is they basically converted the country into a tinderbox. And so you throw a cigarette and the whole area is on fire. They also need a lot of water. They're easily killed by pests. So they planted this monocultures of these pines, which have drop needles that acidify the land, make it difficult for other plants to grow.